How to find Trust Wallet recovery phrase. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Trust Wallet and sign in with your Face ID or passcode. Now once you are in, you're just gonna need to click on the settings on the top left of your screen, and then you just need to click on the wallets on the top of your screen. Now you will have bunch of wallets if you have created, otherwise you will gonna see the one wallet option which is your main wallet. So click on the three dots and then click on the manual option. Now after that you're just gonna need to verify with your ID. Make sure to check mark all of these and make sure to click on continue on the bottom, and this is going to give you your backup recovery codes, which you can simply write down on your piece of paper, and make sure to do not post it online or share it with any other person that is even asking you to share your backup recovery phase code. So make sure to keep it safe, and this is the only way that you can recover your wallets if anything goes wrong. So that's the way of how you can find your trust wallet recovery phrase.